you guys can see it, but London City in the fall. We on the way to Canary. If you know, you know. A couple minutes we'll be there. Don't worry. Look how crazy it is. Canary Street, bro. Shit. Damn. Got the fair game. Holy cow. Look how crazy it is. Damn. Alright, we gotta walk that way. This is crazy. Look how crazy.
That's cool. I thought he just sat there.
I might do that. Look, they just chill. This is crazy. Canary Wharf, Joe. Another Barclay. Look how big this one is compared to right in front of it. Holy cow, this is insane. There's a blue one down there in the middle. What the dog doing? What kind of Zootopia is this? Cup of tea, mate. Alright, we go down. This is crazy. It's busy. It's not even busy though, too. Alright, let's go. Canary Wharf. Here goes the station. You can see me in the flash. You can see me in the flash. We on the way. Damn. This shit is big, bro. What the fuck? Look how crazy it looks right here. Damn. Look how crazy it looks, bro. Damn. Alright, let's keep walking. Beautiful looks from far. Wait, is this one? Holy shit. I'm sorry for my cousin. They got like food and stuff in there. Not me. You want to be? Bro, I don't know. It's just the food out here, bro. It's crazy. Like them Scottish eggs, they're over there. Fuck no. Sorry for my cousin again. Wow, look how beautiful that looks. Just wait till, well, hopefully when it gets a little darker, it doesn't look that bad, but we'll see. Let's keep walking though. There's always like some cute dogs in the G-Wagon. If you know, you know. Editor, insert the clip here. Well, you is the editor, bro. My fault, OG. Look how crazy it looks. Are the dogs there? I just want to know if the dog's there. That's all I want to know. This is crazy. Look how beautiful it looks. I'm not sure what's over there, but I think oh, I gotta go this way. Look how beautiful it looks. Wow, this is beautiful. I just know at night it looks a lot better, but I don't know why I'm taking you there right now because it's beautiful. Like it doesn't look like much, you know what I'm saying? Look at the ducks just swimming around. No, those ain't ducks. Oh, they are. Am I tripping? This is crazy, man. I don't know if I'm just, I feel like I'm fanboying. Am I, like, I feel like I'm just like a little girl right now. This is beautiful, man. Please keep, like, just have faith, bro. Keep having faith, man. And please don't envy me because I'm here. Come on, guys. You know what I'm saying? You can be here too just because I'm here, bro. I'm not the only Mexican out here, bro. Well, today, yeah, but man, this is crazy. No intentions at all, man. And somehow we made it, bro. It's crazy. Let's keep going, bro. How beautiful it looks, man. Wow. Isn't that crazy? Looks on this side. Oh, they got weekend brunch. Look. All of this is designed like kind of give it green. We have a bar. Look how crazy it looks. Just a little L. We're going that way. Man, I had to take that in for a minute. Wow. At the South Court. Look how beautiful this right here. Doesn't look like much, huh? But look how pretty. Look how beautiful. They just, what the fuck? This boy drowned. I thought he was drowning. I thought he was drowning, so. I'm so dumb, bro. They live in the water for a reason. I'm dumb. I'm sorry, because wow, this is beautiful. I can just tell at night this thing's gonna go crazy, yo. Wow. Beautiful. It's crazy. Sandwich. Man, just waking up and living in this bit. At night, I just know it's gonna go crazy, yo. Man, just staying out here, bro. And it's called Baltimore. Can't get worse than that. Sometimes you gotta leave the city too, you know. I love green, bro. I just, you know. I just had to come for a little walk. If you're wondering why you're walking here, you're not Ubering, bro, you can miss out on so much just trying to go through something so quick. So take it in, be easy, bro. Just cause you gotta put a little more. Look, I gotta walk in my favorite shoes. These are brand new, clear bottoms and everything. But if God put me in this position where I can be here, bro, if I had to walk here, where I will, because I love it, bro. It's just, if I was in an Uber, I would have drive past it. Wouldn't even see this, bro. Nice little walk too. And I got, you can't tell, but I'm listening to music. Can you hear it? But it's crazy because there ain't no skyscrapers. You know what I'm saying? But we are beautiful, guys. God got us. We are made in His image, and even though we can't be Him, I try to live my best and try to do right. So you should too. Change your perspective of life. Cause look, this is what I imagine London. Like just small little houses, just stepping up, just going into the green, man. Just crazy. Look at the city skyline. It's crazy. Let's keep walking. Should I get a little workout in? It's crazy. It's just the normal part. Guys, if you think you're moving too fast, all I gotta tell you is sometimes you just have to take it. If you know, you know. I'm just saying. Somehow I gotta get across with this. But, wow. How beautiful it is. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll go over there in a minute. Tell me, man. Just have faith. This is crazy. This is how. So, bro, what the fuck? I'll show you a little bit. At the phone, fuck, it was like half a mile. I'd probably say like maybe a mile, but it's crazy. A tunnel that goes under. Wow, that's life, man. It's Titanic. Was it worth it? I would say yeah. So we went to the water. That is crazy. You got a GoPro too. Look how beautiful that boat looks. This is crazy. Look, the city's over there. It's crazy. Let's keep walking. Look how beautiful this little little pier or something looks. Look. I got a little ship. That's hard. You can see the ship. The ship. Look how beautiful it looks, man. Wow. That's crazy. My question is, I'm sorry, but how did we get underneath? I was just over there. It's crazy. Let's keep going. We was over there. We went underneath and we came over. I don't know. That's life, man. It's so beautiful. I don't know if you can see it from here. I think you can, but wow. The history. The old royal car. I hope I'm not pronouncing that wrong. Wow, what the? Look at that. That's crazy. The dog just got stick. Isn't that beautiful? Look how crazy it looks. Wow. This is a school, by the way. It's really pretty. Look at the entrance zone. Wow. Bro, you can grind and be here too. Come on, bro. Don't give up now. All the flags up there. Track. Wow. It's like a little restaurant. Wow. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. Wow. I'm amazed for real. Just a little street can. Oh my days, bro. Look at the chefs. Chef just gave me the eye like, nah, bro. You probably like, nah, this ain't it, bro. Can the walk really get even better, man? I've been walking for like, I'm probably saying an hour. It doesn't feel like an hour. It feels like 20 minutes. When you soaking this in, wow. Look, then I took it to the O. If you know, you know. I'm about to take you to the O. If you know, you know. I don't know if you can see him in the far end, but I'm gonna try to go down there too. But yeah, took it to the O, bro. Great venue. If you know what that is, it holds one of the. I'm gonna explain the whole thing in a little bit, but look, Peru boys. Terran boys. Wow, you play golf? That was like a top golf. Took it to the O. I don't know if the plane was a paid actor, but thank you. Flying over the O. I told you I was gonna take her to the O. Wow. Look at the walk, the streets, bro. Welcome to the O. Told you. This is crazy. Lots of people. Oh my days. On ice.
Please speak to a member of staff if you have any questions about
Just walking around this place sponsored by Qatar. Look, he got the ball up. Look, I want to go up there in a minute. Let's go to the earth.
Yeah, look like that.
Look how beautiful it is. Just welcome to the earth, man. That's it. I told you, dreams are possible. Have faith. Wow, I'm just walking to the earth. That looks beautiful from this end. Wow, look at this field. Look how beautiful it looks. Let's keep going. I'm so nervous. I can't believe it. So this is all the stores and stuff. I'm walking around a little bit. We're gonna do some window shopping, y'all. Just playing. Let's look around, see what they got, you know. I thought it's just, you know, same old, but when have you ever been to a Hackett? This is crazy. This is insane. Just like a shop mall. Wow. This is crazy, bro. What the fuck am I experiencing? They got a French connection? Come on, bro. I'm gonna show y'all around. But that's Nando's right there. I would eat right there, but no. You go to Canary Wharf. You got Avatar. It's crazy. TGI Fridays, if you know, you know. TGI. We keep walking, bro. Cause I got a Five Guys, bro. I don't want nothing to do with Five Guys, bro. I don't want no Five Guys around me. Look how beautiful it looks. Should we go up? Let's go up just a look. TGI Fridays. This is insane. I don't even know what I'm doing. I would've watched a movie, y'all, but who the fuck? I'm sorry, but who comes to London and watch a movie? Be fucking for real. Do little screens and everything. They're gonna be like, man, this man just trying to order for me. I'll bring my ass right back down. Oh, wow, this is nice. Screen X and all that. Wow, look how beautiful it looks. Oh my days, is that what I think it is? It's gold. Nah, it is hard, John. Yeah, Iron Man just chilling.
Yeah. Its diameter is 365 meters, representing the days of the year. And the summit is 52 meters high, representing the weeks of the year. The building is one of a kind and is now as famous as the superstars who've taken to the stage. Ed Sheeran, Billie Eilish, Stormzy, Drake, Take That, Roger Federer, Michael McIntyre, Anthony Joshua and Sir Elton John, plus many more. Walk over the O2 and you're walking above the stars. So what can you expect from the climb? The incline's steady. Some points hit 30 degrees, so it's just enough angle to get a real sense of achievement at the top. Before we get underway, we've got a little bit of housekeeping.
Riding a motherfucker. But man, dreams come true, man. That's crazy. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. The city? We're gonna go back down.
It's actually a lighthouse. The one thing you expect to see in the dark times, you can't, because it's never been actually used as a lighthouse. They used to use it to train staff and to try different products back in the day. And then over this side you can see the IFS, that's the cable cars flying over the river right now. They're part of TfL. So yes, they cost you an arm and a leg as well. Taking you from down here all the way over to the other Docklands, where you see all those buildings there. Most of those are hotels. And that big stadium behind is the London Excel Exhibition Centre, so an enormous exhibition space. Home every year of things like Comic-Con, the Jurassic Park exhibition, the Friends exhibition. You can see this sort of green dustbin just here in the centre. There's a building behind it. Got a few lights on right now. Looks a little bit like a geometric spaceship. That's the new City Hall for the Mayor of London and all of his little munchkins.
Mountain climbing? This is crazy. I just experienced the craziest thing in my life, bro. This is kind of bowling and arcade. I would, but I'm kind of hungry now. So I'm shooting for Nando's. Let's see. Isn't that beautiful? Oh wait, isn't Nando's this one? Oh my trip. The observatory. This is beautiful, man. Luxury gelato? Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to get some gelato. And it do smell like gelato in it, but and now you're talking about ice cream. This is crazy. Hopefully you can get into Nando's, guys. If not, you're gonna see shortly where we at. Just keep having faith, brother. They even got Chipotle right here. Oh my days, I'm gonna have Chipotle. Should we have Chipotle? Fuck. Oh man. It's cold, y'all. That's where I climbed. So give you an idea. I climbed from here, which is crazy. I climbed all that. And you just latch on and you go up that little thing and then a little bit more. You guys should definitely climb the if you get the chance, climb it, please, bro. You would be amazed. It's crazy. Look how big it is. Just take a picture of that just in case you need a reminder. Look at the skyline. What did I say? Bro. Just don't quit, bro. There's so much to life. Look, Canary's right across the street. You got the O around the corner. And it just doesn't get better than this. They got the Barclays Center. If you know about Barclays. I miss when it wasn't the Premier League. It was just Barclays Premier League. But it's crazy. This is crazy. God is real. Walking in London. Bro, you can walk somewhere even better. This is just, you know, what I was fortunate enough to be blessed with. And I thank God every day, bro. And I feel like I could just sit here, but man, we're gonna get over there. I just gotta cross all this just like we did, but have faith, man. But I ain't gonna lie, that shit kind of mid. Oh my days, I gotta stop cussing, y'all. I'm sorry. It's just that out of excitement sometimes, guys, I just cuss a lot. Where is this man swinging at, bro? We're back. This is how it looks at night. This is way better. It's crazy. Look how beautiful. Let me know if you see your flag over there. I want to see my face. crazy. Look how crazy the little. Wow. I told you look better at night. Sorry, this is like jumping up and down. Pause. Look at the little, even the little bars go. Wow. Look at that. Procho. I don't know if you can see it very good, but wow. This is how it looks at night. Pretty creepy, but you can kind of see. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. This shit turned into a Christmas tree. Isn't it? I got Nando's right there. I want to go tomorrow, guys. Wow. I think you know where that's at. In a few minutes, we'll be in Canary. Ready, set, ready for the transition? Tunnel, almost there, almost there. I'll show you once we get out. Let's go. I'm a little tired, damn. Sorry for the cussing, but I'm tired. Them stairs got me. Let's keep going. For you guys. Can see it, but it looks beautiful. I'm on the bridge now. Wow. That is crazy. Is that crazy or what? Wow. Even the bus is moving. These are crazy things. Isn't that crazy? Oh shit. Canary Wharf. Isn't that crazy? This is insane. Take it in, y'all. Take it all. Yeah, I got the view. Isn't this beautiful, y'all? Wow, even a pigeon taking it. Look at pigeon. This is beautiful. You got the guys saying. This is crazy. This is not even the main part, you know, it's still a lot more, but let's keep going to the bridge and see what's up over there. It's really pretty out here, really pretty. I can only show you so much, but wow. That's crazy. That's me right now. Take it easy. Let's keep going though. We got a lot to see. Ferry game over there. You go take it. I was gonna do this, but you're cook if you're doing that. I'm sorry. I'm not paddling. If the house was here, that maybe. But isn't this beautiful? Wow. Take it in, brother. Take it in. God damn. Look at that, bro. You got the free game across. Beautiful water just flowing. I mean, does it get better than this, guys? Just ask yourself. Man, life is all about just taking it in, bro. Look how crazy big, whatever the fuck this is. Got the Marriott. This is crazy. Take it in, bro. Take it in. You have to. It's okay. We're going back to the city. Planes coming towards us. The city's all the way. That's where I'm heading right now. So let's keep going. Yes, sir. Great lightning here before the rain, because I knew it was gonna sprinkle. But this is London. Anything can happen, bro. 1 minute is good. Next thing you know, it's fucking raining. So be careful, guys. I'm fucking drenched. You can't even tell. It was raining. So I had to hurry up and come back. I tried it in France. It was good. But I haven't tried it here, so I'm kind of doing a try. It's like the same shit. Let me know. God, I'm scared of it. Look how crazy it is.